Hello everyone, today we have a 2014 Ram Laramie 4x4 with a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel. That is sounding good, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take it for a tour. Okay, you see that it does have a push bar with a winch on it. Painted alloy wheels, fog lights, and those mirrors will fold down or in, very flexible. It's your tow package. You also have a spray-on bedliner, power sliding back window, there's the equipment for your lift. Painted alloy wheels, off-road tires. So it does have black pinhole leather seats. These rear seats are heated, as you see here, and then you also have a 12-volt power outlet back there. These are power deploying running boards, which are super nice on a lifted truck. Okay, as you look down here, you'll see that it has 98,341 miles on the vehicle. And then you got your stereo controls on the opposite side of the steering wheel that you would operate with your fingers instead of your thumbs. Here you have your trip computer toggles, as you see there, and then you have your push to talk, your cruise control, push button start, 2- and 4-wheel drive, and here's your key fob, and it does have a push button start to where you have a remote start with that. 12-volt power outlet, cup holders, then you have additional stowage in there and in here as well, and you also have a disk drive, and then you do have a 115-volt outlet right here, and your heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel. As you come up above, you have your touchscreen infotainment as well, so you could turn your seats on from here or down there. And then for your stereo, you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Okay, here are your apps as well, and you do have navigation fully equipped. And if you want to see the backup camera, you pop it in reverse. There's your guides, your glove compartment, and then your lower glove compartment. Super nice having two. And then you have your controls for your power sliding back window and your map reading lights. All right, and that about wraps it up for this Ram on the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact up here in the front on the driver front quarter panel. The airbag's deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed a 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.